Since my mom Angie will pass away this year, September 13 at 3 p.m. at Alaska Anchorage. She always, she's 69 years old. This is for you, Mom Angie. I never thought that you're gone forever at my life. I thought you were always at my side if I needed you most. It was so painful because Christmas is near that you're gone forever. And I could contact you now to video call my mom and Jing. Nasanay lang ako, nandyan ka pag kailangan kita. Nasanay rin ako tuwing Pasko, New Year at birthday ko. Ma'am Angie, na makita sa video call at makausap man lang kita. How can I celebrate my Christmas now? My Christmas birthday, now you're gone forever. I will never expect it will happen that you're gone forever, Mom Angie. I want you to know, my Mom Angie, that you're always at my mind, at my heart. I will never forget you forever, Mom Angie. How could I celebrate this Christmas and New Year and especially my birthday, Mom Angie? You're gone forever at my life and I could see you anymore. I'm not ready that you're passed away because I thought you're a stronger old woman and you always fight out your life. But I did not expect it will happen that you're gone forever and I could see you anymore and I can see your laughter and smiling faces, Mom Angie. And I could hear your golden voice again, Mom Angie. By the way, guys, namatayan mo ko ginahan mo na kung kuan, guys. Ikasulti niya, guys. It was September 13 at 3 p.m. I did not expect that my mom Angie will pass away on that time, on that day. For me, 2025 is very sad year to our life to me because my mom Angie, she's already dead, she's already gone. And I could see her anymore. I could see her smiling face. I could see her anymore laughter at me. And she will get fun with me, especially I'm dancing. And I always joke with her. She always fun. She always smile. I could miss her smile. I could miss her voice. Okay, this is a poem for you, Ma'am Angie. Ma'am Angie, sa dinami-dami ng mga tao sa mundong ito, sa dinami-daming 8 billion ang ina sa mundong ito, bakit ikaw pang namatay? At saka, ilang days na lang, ilang months, September, October, November, December, at 3 months ago, it was Christmas na. Mama G, paano ko i-celebrate ang Pasko ngayon na wala ka na sa piling namin? Kasi nasanay kasi kami, kahit nasa malayo at malamig na lugar sa Alaska Anchorage, na anytime, especially in Christmas, we will call you, we have video call, then we could see each other, we will laugh, we will share our problems, and your problem also you share with us. Then we could smile each other. Then every Christmas you send $50 and to me and Gigi Icres, 3 of us, and also New Year you send money $50 and Gigi Icres, 3 of us also. And my birthday, same birthday to my eldest sister Gigi, December 28, Innocence Day. Then you send money with me $50 and Gigi also, and also Icres, even though you're not her birthday. Her birthday is July 20, my younger sister Icres. Then Every Christmas, you send money with me $150. Then a food is only dollars. The total is only $50 every Christmas. And also Gigi Chris, you send them also the same amount of money, $1. Ma'am Anjing, how could celebrate the Christmas 18 days ago na lang, and I think is 18, 19, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and almost 25 days it's my birthday, December 28th, and same birthday to my eldest sister Gigi, and New Year. How could I celebrate Christmas and New Year and my Christmas birthday, December 28th, and same birthday to my Gigi, my sister, eldest sister? How could I celebrate my Christmas, my birthday, my New Year this 2025 if you're gone already? And I could give you a video call. Uh, what I mean, I can't call you anymore at all, and I can see your face, smiling your face, and I can hear again your laughter. You're crying like that. Mamanji, I I love you very much, 1000%, and I really miss you. I wanna hug you tight. I wanna kiss you. I wanna share you about my problem. You know what? I don't know how could I celebrate a Christmas, a New Year, and my birthday because it was first time Christmas and New Year and birthday that you're gone. You know what? My Christmas is very mingaw dahil wala ka na. Nasanay kasi ako, Mama G. Christmas, you call us, I call you, greetings. Merry Christmas, Mama G. Happy New Year, Mama G. Even though you're alone and far, far away places in somewhere in the Alaskan Courage, and nobody will